Welcome to English Conversation. Use this sentence at your home to speak English. Bring breakfast when you need to breakfast. Boil the egg. Make a cup of tea. When you need a cup of tea, then you say, make a cup of tea. Bring a food. When you need to food, then say, go to dining room. When you say, put some sugar. Come here. Come here. Eat slow. Eat slow. Eat right hand. Eat right hand. Sit properly. Sit properly. Don't snatch food. Don't snatch food. Don't eat left hand. Don't smoke here. Don't smoke here. Don't fight. Don't fight. Speak truth. Speak truth. Take care yourself. Take care yourself. Switch on the bulb. Switch on the bulb. Go to kitchen. Go to kitchen. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Coming soon.